Hey everybody, it's Zachary with BrandsMart USA. Have you ever wanted to take your mobile content and view it on your big screen TV at home? The Samsung Sero TV makes that dream possible. With the Samsung 43-inch Sero Smart 4K QLED television, you're able to take your mobile entertainment to the next level. So let's check it out. With the Samsung Sero, you can enjoy various content, including social media, YouTube, and personal videos, right on your TV. The display orientation technology connects seamlessly with your mobile devices to smoothly and naturally display content in traditional, horizontal, and vertical formats. At the heart of the Samsung Sero is the incredible 3840 by 2160 resolution QLED display with Quantum HDR. The Samsung Sero automatically adjusts the pictures to lighting conditions in the room. Additionally, it can upscale lower resolution video to enhance it on the Sero detailed display. Not only is the Samsung Sero an amazing TV, but with a rotating feature, you can turn your TV into a piece of art to blend in with your home's decor. Watch your TV virtually disappear into the walls of your home with Ambient Mode Plus. This feature elevates your space by turning a blank screen into decor, artwork, pictures, or other visuals. With Smartthings Compatibility, you can control your home with the Samsung Sero and turn on the lights, check what's inside your fridge, and even run the robot vacuum cleaner right from your couch's comfort. The Samsung Sero TV comes with a 4.1 channel home theater system built into the easel so that your content can sound just as good as it looks. Check out this cool feature. The Tap View feature allows you to tap the stereo with your smartphone to mirror your mobile's content to your TV within seconds. With multiple voice assistants, you can choose from Bixby, Alexa, or Google Assistant, which will allow you to access your favorite content, get answers, and control your TV and other connected devices around your home. The Smart TV powered by Tizen allows you to go beyond Smart TV with next-gen apps, super easy control, and a host of enhancements that elevate the TV watching experience. There you have it, guys, the 43-inch Samsung Sero 4K QLED Smart TV, right here at BrandsMart USA.